Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to build castle roof in Vrising. So as you can see right here, I'm in my castle. There's actually night sky falling down on my castle because I don't have a roof. And in order to build it, first of all make sure that you have all walls completed so they all make a proper building like this. Every wall is connected. After that, build the floors so that all floors are connected. And I don't have it, that's the problem, that's why I don't have a roof. This floor right here is not complete, and now in order to fix that we'll need to build our floor. Simply put the floor right like this, and that way you'll get the roof. As you can see, roof is completed, we can go out and it will be visible right here. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.